Welcome to our channel. If you're trying to book an Uber but the fare prices aren't showing up, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can happen for various reasons, but it's easy to fix. Let's walk through 5 quick solutions to help you get the fare prices back on your Uber app. 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause issues with loading fare prices. Solution: ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. You can also restart your router or turn airplane mode on and off on your phone to reset the connection. 2. Restart the Uber app. Sometimes, a minor glitch in the app can cause fare prices to not load properly. Solution: close the Uber app completely from your phone's app switcher. Restart the app and check again to see if the fare prices are showing. 3. Clear the app cache, Android, or reinstall the app, iPhone. Cache data can sometimes cause issues in the app's functionality, including fare price display. Solution: for Android, go to Settings, Apps, Uber. Tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache. Open the Uber app again and check if the fare prices are showing. For iPhone, if clearing cache isn't an option, uninstall and reinstall the Uber app from the App Store. 4. Update the Uber app. Running an outdated version of the Uber app can sometimes cause issues with fare price visibility. Solution: check if there's an update available for the Uber app. On iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Uber, and tap Update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Uber, and tap Update. After updating, check if the fare prices are now showing. 5. Switch to a different payment method. Sometimes, the app might not load fare prices if there's an issue with your default payment method. Solution: go to Payment Settings in the Uber app and switch to a different payment method. After updating the payment method, restart the app and check if the fare prices are showing again. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the Uber servers or an account-specific issue. You can check the Uber status page or contact Uber support for further assistance. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and solutions.